Hey guys, it's Jess and welcome back to my channel. So my breakfast this morning is 2 blueberry muffins I made yesterday. I wanted something like warm and I wanted to cook something, but I didn't feel like cooking it. So I'm gonna have these and watch a little bit of TV before I get up and start getting everything done. Just a random fact is that I absolutely love blueberry muffins. Everything about them. I love everything blueberries. Blueberry waffles, blueberry muffins, cupcakes, bread, anything you can put in blueberries. Anything, yeah, you can put blueberries in. I love it. It's so good. So I'm fixing myself some lunch. I've got some green beans here that I'm gonna just put like a handful of those on the plate. I've got some basmati rice that I've already prepped and I'm gonna give myself maybe like a little bit of that, probably like a half cup, maybe 3/4 a cup. I don't know, just whenever your little heart tells you to stop. And then I've got some chicken I prepped at the beginning of this week. And I've got some like little nuggets in here that I'm gonna eat. So not fancy about this. It's in a Ziploc bag. But I just cooked this in the air fryer at the beginning of the week and now I'm gonna get it out and cook it for a really easy lunch. So I've got a decent lunch here because I honestly don't know when the next time it'll be that I get to eat. And I'm gonna go ahead and like prep another meal in this little green bean bowl. I'm going to put some rice on this other side. And then this leftover piece of chicken I have. And now I've got my meal for today and then a prepped meal for whenever I don't have time to throw something together. Gonna add a little bit of water on top of my rice and put this in the microwave for about 2 minutes. So now that it's warmed up, I added, ooh, that plate is hot. So I added some soy sauce to my rice, some Parmesan and garlic powder to my green beans, and then my chicken's just plain. I might get some barbecue sauce to dip it in, or I might just eat it plain. I'm not really sure. But this is the finished plate. It's so good, and it is for sure gonna keep me full for a while. The first thing we're gonna do is get our water on the boil, and while that's coming up to a boil, I'm gonna season my shrimp. I've got 6 shrimp in here, and I'm just going to season them with whatever sounds good. First, I've got this Tony Corona's Creole seasoning, and I'm gonna dust a little bit of that on there. I don't have any measurements for this. I just kind of measure with your heart. This is a little spicy, so if you don't like spicy stuff, maybe go a little light-handed on it. And then next I've got a little onion powder. Maybe a tad bit more than a little. And then garlic powder. Then some paprika. I'm going to give this a really good stir. Make sure all that shrimp is coated in the seasoning, and then I'm just going to let this rest while my noodles are going to be boiling. And then we'll saute this in a pan. Now that our water is boiling, I'm gonna add some ziti pasta noodles to it. You can use whatever kind of noodles you like. I've really started to like ziti noodles in the last little bit, so that's what I'm gonna be using. And we're just gonna let these cook until they're tender. So I just tried our pasta and it's almost done. We have recently came to love peas in our Alfredo. I know it's strange, but I had leftover peas one day, or not leftover peas, but frozen peas one day I need to get rid of. Put in my Alfredo and we really liked it. So I'm gonna put in a couple handfuls of frozen peas and let them cook in here while the pasta is getting done. This is what our pasta looks like. I just put our pasta on the bottom, then some spinach cut up, and those peas we cooked. Now I'm letting this pan dry out so we can put some oil in it and cook our shrimp. Now our shrimp is only going to take a couple minutes on each side to cook. May not even take that. You just want to cook it until it gets kind of a pink color. And give them a little stir. And we're going to put them on top of our pasta. And there you have it, a really easy, simple dinner meal. This would be really easy too to like prep ahead of time and have for those really busy nights that you don't have time to really cook. Obviously, you can replace the chicken or the shrimp with chicken or steak or any kind of protein you like. But we had shrimp in the freezer that needed to be used, so I was trying to use that up the best way we could. Thank you guys so much for spending some time with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed it and gave you a little meal inspiration for some recipes you might try on the next day that you're struggling with what to make yourself. Hope you guys like this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one.